Hello everyone, this is your host Khatija. I hope you guys are doing very well. So I am here with another episode of Learning Vocabulary. Today's first term is dissection, means analysis. During the dissection of the poem, the teacher explained the meanings line by line. Second term is dissemble, means disguise secretly. Her plan was to dissemble her intentions from her husband so she could successfully plan him a surprise party. Third term is disseminate, means distribute. With encyclopedias in every class, we will disseminate a wealth of information to all the students. Fourth term is dissent, means disagree करना. एक term होती है assent, यानी कि अपनी कंसेंट देना, एग्री करना किसी चीज के साथ या किसी ओपिनियन के साथ. इसी तरीके से डिसेंट यानी कि डिसएग्री करना. मोर देन लाइकली माई फादर विल डिसेंट विद द आइडिया आई एम ओल्ड इनफ टू सेट माई ओन बिजनेस, यानी कि मेरे फादर जो है मोस्ट लाइकली इस चीज को रिफ्यूज ही कर देंगे कि मैं इतना बड़ा हो चुका हूँ कि अपना बिजनेस सेटल कर सकूं, तो वो इस चीज को भी नहीं मानेंगे. Fifth term is dissertation, means former essay writing. Joy wrote his doctoral dissertation on Thucydides. Sixth term is dissimulate, means pretend करना. Teresa is usually sad, but she chose to dissimulate her demeanor and pretend to be happy today. Seventh term is dissipate, means vanish, खत्म करना, end करना. According to the meteorologists, the storm will dissipate after a few hours and make way for the sunshine. Eighth term is dissolution, means disintegration. इंटीग्रेट होता है इकट्ठी चीज का होना, ठीक है, यूनिटी होना. उसको डिसइंटीग्रेट करना यानी कि उसकी उस यूनिटी को तोड़ना, उसको खत्म करना, एंड करना. द ट्रीटमेंट इज यूज्ड फॉर द डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ किडनी स्टोन्स, यानी कि वो जो किडनी के अंदर स्टोन्स बन जाते हैं उनकी डिसोल्यूशन के लिए, उनकी डिसइंटीग्रेशन के लिए ये ट्रीटमेंट यूज होता है. नाइन्थ टर्म इज डिसोनेंस, मीन्स डिस्कॉर्ड होना, तजाद होना, झगड़ा होना, डिफरेंस होना. हिज क्रूल abuse showed a dissonance with his loving words. 10th and last term is dissuade, means discourage करना. Jealous people will always try to dissuade you from trying to be successful. So that's all for today's lecture, guys. Hope for the best and be prepared for the future. And please do like, share, comment, and do subscribe. And don't forget to get advantage of the PDF file I have just uploaded in the description box. Remember me in prayers. Allah Hafiz.